what I'm about to show you. So if you go to Google Photos, let me grab my S25 Ultra. S25 Ultra. This is Google Photos application on, I think, not all Android phones, but if you have a flagship Android phone, all I have here are flagships. I don't have any really budget phones. Go check for updates, and I noticed it on all of my Android phones have this, and all of my Android phones are flagship. But check this out. Let's go to Photos. So here's Google Photos. Here's what is something cool that I noticed after the November security patch. So down here, we're in Google Photos, Pixel 10 Pro, S25 Ultra. If you go to this Create section right here, look at this. So you have a bunch of options now, right? In Motion, create yours, and then here's your tools. You can create photo to video. That's awesome. You can do a remix, basically take a photo and it'll remix it into a similar but different photo. Collage, stick them together, not really cool there. It's been done for years. Highlight video, basically throws videos together. Cinematic photo, that's cool. We'll get into that. Animation, it's just like Collage. They just do them one after another, as you can tell right there. So I want to focus on photo to video, cinematic photo, and remix. So if you've seen my YouTube channel lately, it's actually a bunch of, look at this. So here's how I create, let's do this real quick. Here's how I create my thumbnails, or I create myself on these thumbnails. You see myself, how it's like a cartoon, how that's like AI generated. That's obviously not, but you see myself there, you see myself there. Google Photos, go down to Create, and then here's what I do. Go to Remix. So here's how you can simply create a different style of a photo of yourself, or anybody, right? Even a cat. It'll even do a cat. That's like a clay figure. I stick to this one. And let's choose a photo. Let's do one like this, looking at me side-eyed, and you hit generate. It'll generate a cool picture of whoever, right? Boom. I paused the video. It takes about 30 seconds. There you go. Now, you can share it. You can save it to your device. You can regenerate it if you don't like it, and then there's feedback. So I'll usually do that. I'll save it. It'll save it, photo saved. Now, you can do like cartoon, sketch, freaking, what is that called? The Japanese cartoons, whatever, I don't know what they're called. Photo to video, so this one's cool. Check this out. And it does it on the Pixel 2, and let's see how fast they can generate each other. So, photo to video, let's select it there. Yeah, we're gonna try it now. And let's find photo to video. So what this will do is it'll take any photo and animate it. So let's try a already generated photo, one like a cartoon like this one on the left, and then let me show you what it looks like from a regular photo. So let me take that, and if they're not backed up, it'll back it up to do it. Now let's do this. Now you have two options. You can do subtle movements, or you can do I'm feeling lucky, and it'll give you more expressions. It'll show you talking with your hands and moving around. Let's do this one, subtle movement. Let's do this one, I'm feeling lucky. I'm going to pause the video. They do take about a minute to generate, so I'll be back with the results. All right, check this out. So this one generated a little subtle smile. This one generated something absolutely crazy. That is cool. And as you can tell, these are so fun to play around with. You can save it to your device. So if you have a picture of your dad, you can generate this, save it, or you can just share it automatically to him. And it's really cool what these AI things. I'll spend 30 minutes just playing around with this stuff, and that's how I generate my thumbnails doing this. And then you can animate it there. You can save it. You can throw it up in a video if you want to. If you're a video editor, really, really cool stuff. That's cool. Actually, let me save that, and I'll save that too. What the hell? I have a bunch of these that I've been saving. So let's go back. Let's go back again. So you got that. And then, as I mentioned, remix is how I get the emoji of myself. Photo to video we just did. Collage, that's self-explanatory, just throws a bunch of pictures together. Highlight video does the same thing. It just throws a bunch of videos together in a little highlight video. Cinematic photos, cool. Let's get into that. Animation's the same thing. It's not really what it seems like. Let's do this. If you see it says select up to 50 photos. You can just take, let's do those, and then hit create, and it just does that. It just cycles through them, so it's not. And then you have a, you can favorite it. Here's your options up here. Not much, but it is what it is. Now let's do this. Let's go back to create, and I want to show you the cinematic, right? So the other cool one is this one. Now, what cinematic does, it gives it a 3D effect, gives it a still photo that makes it look like it's moving. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's take a photo. Let's see. Find a photo of myself. Now, what I have not done is a generated picture. We'll try that in a second, but let me just show you an example of what this does. So watch this. It's going to create it real quick. It only takes a few seconds. Let me move that out of the way. See, it gives it like a moving effect. See how it makes the still photo, but it moves the background behind it to make it look like it's subtle movements. That's cool. Now, let's see if it works with this, with a generated photo, with an AI generated photo. It should, but let's find out. Barely. Yeah, still doing it. See my cheek and that wall behind me? So you get that. That's very cool. So that's a fun little Google Photos update. Go update your Google Photos app and go have fun. Let me know what the audio and video look like. I'm trying to shoot more on the iPhone. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.